Coloring by Fairy Cherry. Hello, sweetie pies! It's me, Fairy Cherry, and today we're going to use colors in our imaginations to make something super duper fun!
The clocks are right, the mouse are down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting coloring journeys!
Tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, fiddlesticks. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock.
Fantastic! Our adventure continues, my dear friends! Keep coloring and creating your magical world!
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting coloring journeys!
About him, they say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
About him, they say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
wishing you a world full of colors and smiles until next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay connected with Fairy Cherry.